Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. I should put the tray on. There we go. And we'll push down. See if we get a beautiful shot of espresso with really good crema. We test the steam. Nice strong steam. We get the steam in the shot actually. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Thank you.